Hello YouTubers and welcome to my channel. This is the Prince of Forex. Hit the subscribe button and please share my video. If you're not a subscriber and you're watching this video, I don't like what you're doing, please hit the subscribe button so you can stay updated. I give you market insights and tell you and educate you about how to trade. Now, what is happening to the NAS1000? Good, which is the US stock market, deals on technology. Now, let's dive deep into fundamental, because fundamental guides the technical. Now we are sitting on a little support down here. The support here. Good. Now will support hold? I think it might hold, but today by 3:30 we were gonna know if the support is gonna hold. Now we're having a release called consumer confidence, and it's a very volatile news, and it's coming out 3 o'clock. Good. Now this information will tell us if the consumers in the United States are seeing inflation, if inflation is high or not, or sticky. Now let's come back to the data that made the market drop a little while. Manufacturing data and private sector is expanding. What does it mean? That means there are activities going on in the manufacturing industry. That means in the United States the manufacturing industry is expanding, and that can lead to an increment of employment rate. What does it mean? When there is an expanding in the manufacturing industry, that means people are getting jobs. But when there is a contracting in the manufacturing industry or private sector, it simply means that people are losing their jobs or less manufacturing of goods are happening. And right now I feel that inflation is sticky because there's a lot of things going on in the manufacturing industry that came up last week, and now with the support hold today by 3:30. If you're watching the Nasdaq, check if the consumer confidence is gonna say high or low. If the consumer confidence comes out as high, that means inflation is sticky. If it comes out as high, that means green. If it comes out high, inflation is sticky. And if it's high, the market is going to fall. Stock market does not want high inflation. But if the consumer confidence says that inflation is getting low, that means price of goods is coming down or going up. So you have to watch. The support is gonna hold. This price is gonna come down and sit down here, and investors are watching. These men trade billions and they don't joke with their money. Now watch the consumer confidence by 3. Whosoever watches this video, I know I have low subscribers, but whosoever watches this video and you want to trade Nasdaq, watch the consumer confidence because it's high volatile news. And if it says that the consumer confidence is low, bro, buy. You only buy, listen, you only buy if the consumer confidence is low. But if the consumer confidence is high, that means inflation is still there, you can sell. You can wait for a breakout and a retest, then you can sell. You can only do this if inflation is still sticky, if consumers are saying inflation is still sticky. Subscribe to my channel and I'll keep you updated with the latest insight. Bam! Subscribe, Prince of Forex.